Hundreds of bills have been filed in the state's 2026 legislative session with about 2 months to go.
One of those bills is called Troy's Law, named after a tow truck driver killed while working. R.J. Johnson shares why advocates are continuing to push this bill forward.
In 2024, Troy Caldwell was struck by a semi-truck on I-64 in Bath County while working as a tow truck driver.
Unfortunately, that was a big wake-up call for Kentucky and eastern Kentucky. It just made us realize really quick that it could happen to any of us at any time.
Since his death, Bubba Johnson has been working to not only keep Caldwell's memory alive, but ensure all tow truck drivers have extra precautions while working roadside. Troy's Law was filed in Frankfort 2025, but it never made it to committee. The law is modeled after blue light laws passed in several other states,
allowing us to put blue lights on the rear of our tow trucks. They'd be rear facing only, and the only time you'd be using them is when you was at a wreck or on the side of a highway loading a vehicle. You wouldn't be using them going up and down the highway or for any other reason, and they're on the rear of the vehicle only.
Troy's Law was filed again this session as House Bill 282 with over a dozen co-sponsors and made it to the Transportation Committee, but Johnson isn't sure if it will pass. Other states have seen a dramatic decrease in tow truck-related crashes since passing similar bills.
They hear about these deaths real regularly because it's a big thing. People really are dying out here on the side of the highway. But what they don't hear about is all the almost or the man, that was a close call, or and nobody hears about that stuff. If they had that number piled in with the number of deaths, this wouldn't even be on the table.
Despite challenges here, he is committed to making sure this law is one day passed in memory of Troy. R.J. Johnson, Fox 56 News.